Hello. Today, I'll introduce Ueno in Japan. Ueno is one of Tokyo's most vibrant and culturally rich areas, known for its historical landmarks, bustling markets, and diverse food scene. In this video, we'll explore Ameoko, a lively shopping street in Ueno that offers a unique blend of history, culture, and modern attractions. Whether you're a foodie, a shopaholic, or a history enthusiast, Ameoko has something for everyone. Let's dive in. 1. History and overview of Ameoko. Ameoko, short for Ameyakusho, is a bustling market street located between Ueno and Okachimichi stations in Tokyo. Its name has two possible origins: Ameya, candy store, or America, reflecting its post-World War II history as a black market for American goods. After the war, Ameoko became a hub for selling surplus items like candies, chocolates, and military gear, which were brought in by American soldiers. Over time, it evolved into a vibrant shopping district, attracting locals and tourists alike. Today, Ameoko stretches about 500 meters under the JR train tracks and is home to over 400 shops. The street is divided into two main sections, the open-air market and the Ameoko Plaza. The open-air market is a sensory overload, with vendors shouting out deals, colorful signs, and the aroma of street food filling the air. The Ameoko Plaza, on the other hand, offers a more structured shopping experience with stores selling everything from fresh seafood to trendy fashion items. Ameoko's lively atmosphere makes it a must-visit destination in Tokyo. It's not just a place to shop, it's a cultural experience that reflects the city's history and diversity. 2. Food delights in Ameoko. One of the highlights of Ameoko is its incredible food scene. The street is lined with eateries and stalls offering a wide variety of dishes, from traditional Japanese street food to international flavors. Here are some must-try options. Hayake New Fruit. If you're looking for a refreshing snack, head to Hayake New Fruit. This stall sells fresh fruit slices, such as pineapple and melon, for just 100 to 200 yen. It's the perfect way to cool down while exploring the market. Niku no Oyama. Meat lovers will enjoy Niku no Oyama, a popular shop known for its menchi katsu, deep-fried minced meat cutlets. They also serve steaks, burgers, and curry dishes, making it a great spot for a hearty meal. Uakuza. For seafood enthusiasts, Uakuza is a must-visit. This standing bar offers fresh oysters, scallops, and crab at affordable prices. It's a great place to enjoy high-quality seafood without breaking the bank. Uncle Joe. Craving Korean street food? Uncle Joe has you covered. This stall serves delicious tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes, hotteok, sweet pancakes, and kimari, fried seaweed rolls. It's a taste of Korea right in the heart of Tokyo. Tentonraku. If you're in the mood for Chinese cuisine, Tentonraku is the place to go. They serve dumplings, pork buns, and noodle soups that are both flavorful and affordable. Minatoya. No visit to Ameoko is complete without trying takoyaki, octopus-filled pancakes. Minatoya offers 4 pieces of takoyaki for just 200 yen, making it a budget-friendly snack. 3. Shopping experiences in Ameoko. Ameoko is a shopper's paradise, offering a wide range of products at competitive prices. Whether you're looking for fashion, accessories, or unique souvenirs, you'll find it here. Sneakers and streetwear. Ameoko is known for its affordable sneakers and streetwear. Many shops sell popular brands like Nike, Adidas, and Converse at discounted prices. If you're a sneakerhead, this is the place to stock up on your favorite kicks. Watches and jewelry. For those interested in watches and jewelry, Ameoko has several shops offering high-quality products at reasonable prices. Whether you're looking for a luxury timepiece or a stylish accessory, you'll find plenty of options. Silk bomber jackets, Sukajan. One of Ameoko's unique offerings is the Sukajan, or silk bomber jacket. These jackets originated in the post-war era and feature intricate embroidery, often depicting dragons or other traditional motifs. They make for a stylish and culturally significant souvenir. Cosmetics and health products. Matsumoto Kiyoshi, a popular discount drugstore, has a branch in Ameoko. Here, you can find a wide range of cosmetics, skincare products, and health supplements at affordable prices. Military surplus gear. For a touch of history, check out Nakata, a store specializing in military surplus gear. From practical items like boots and backpacks to stylish jackets, this shop offers a unique shopping experience. For cultural insights. Ameoko is more than just a shopping street, it's a cultural melting pot that reflects Tokyo's diversity. The area's post-war history is evident in its eclectic mix of products and flavors. The influence of American culture can be seen in the surplus goods and military gear sold in stores like Nakata. Ameoko also plays a significant role in Japanese traditions, especially during the New Year. The street is bustling with shoppers buying ingredients for osuchi, traditional New Year dishes, and other festive items. It's a great time to experience the local culture and join in the celebrations. 5 practical tips for visiting Ameoko. To make the most of your visit to Ameoko, here are some practical tips. Best time to visit. Weekdays are less crowded than weekends, making it easier to explore the shops and enjoy the food stalls. Opening hours. Most shops are open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., but some may close earlier, so plan accordingly. Bargaining. While bargaining isn't common in Japan, some shops in Ameoko may be open to negotiation, especially if you're buying in bulk. Cash is king. Many smaller shops and food stalls only accept cash, so make sure to have enough yen on hand. Explore beyond Ameoko. After visiting Ameoko, take some time to explore the surrounding area, including Ueno Park and the Tokyo National Museum. 6. Conclusion. Ameoko is a vibrant and dynamic destination that offers a unique blend of history, culture, and modern attractions. Whether you're indulging in delicious street food, shopping for trendy fashion items, or exploring the area's rich history, Ameoko has something for everyone. It's a must-visit spot for anyone traveling to Tokyo, and I hope this video has inspired you to add it to your itinerary. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.